Today I will be drawing anime, but I can't lift my pencil. This challenge is really difficult, so stay tuned to find out if I manage to complete it or not. The rules are simple. Number 1. I must use a pencil. Number 2. I must not lift the pencil off the paper. Number 3. If I mess up I have to discard the drawing. I decided to draw Kenjaku from Jujutsu Kaisen. As soon as my pencil touched the paper there was no going back. I started off drawing the face. I went from the forehead to the nose to the mouth and slowly progressed towards the jawline. Few minutes into the drawing while drawing the ear, I accidentally lifted my pencil, which meant I had to restart and discard this drawing, but there's nothing we can do about it. So once again I restarted and took a different approach to drawing Kenjaku. Instead of drawing the forehead first, I drew the ear first. I started to realize that this is going to be a really hard challenge, as it will be very hard to draw the eyes. To do this I will have to connect the face to the eyebrow, and the eyebrow to the eye. On my second attempt I had made a good amount of progress, but my mechanical pencil's lead broke, and there was no other way to get the lead out without lifting the pencil, which made me scratch that drawing as well. But it's fine, I mean it looked pretty bad anyways. Now this is my third attempt, and I really hope I don't make any mistakes. I start working on the face again. But this time I switch from mechanical pencil to a standard pencil to avoid making the same mistake as last time. While I was drawing I thought to myself that I should have really thought this challenge through to avoid making mistakes. But it's okay. To draw the earring from the ear I made very light lines, so that they aren't very visible. Then I drew the neck and then the eyes. Honestly, I was very impressed with myself, and I didn't expect it to make it this far. This challenge makes me think twice before each stroke. I can't fix anything once I put it down, so the pressure is real. Personally, the hair was the hardest part for me. I made a few mistakes over here, but I managed to cover them up throughout the drawing. This drawing took me approximately 30 minutes. I was expecting my hands to hurt a bit because I hadn't lifted my pencil for a good amount of time, but my hands were completely fine. Maybe because my hands got used to drawing without a break after doing a challenge where I drew for 5 hours straight and ended up getting hand cramps. Be sure to check that video out. The link is at the top right of your screen. Anyways, back to the drawing. Now I started drawing his clothes, which were relatively easy, but my lines were very wobbly. Next came the guidelines on the hair, so I know where to shade. Here I am shading the hair and adding details to make the drawing look better and more accurate. I really hope to have created a masterpiece with this challenge, but unfortunately that wasn't possible. If you're enjoying the video so far, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel. We recently hit 1,000 subscribers on my birthday. So thank you so much for the support. I am also in the making of a 1,000 subscriber special, so stay tuned for that video. Now I am almost done with this drawing, and I'm just adding a few touches like adding darker shading. I feel like the forehead is a bit small, and as much as I want to change it, I can't. Then the last step for me was to shade the clothes of Kenjaku. Make sure to tell me your favorite Jujutsu Kaisen character in the comments down below. And there it was, I had finished drawing Kenjaku and completed this challenge. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Peace.